On this episode of Gala ni Mickey and Maku, we went to the Greenfield Food Truck Park. This is Mickey's first time here, and from the last time that I was here, mas marami na yung choices nila at mas marami na ring tables. The first thing that we got is this cold brew from Cafe Imperial for 120 pesos. Matapang daw, parang siya, kaya akong ipaglaban. We also went to this food stall that sells takoyaki and milk tea. My best friend Ash got milk tea here. We ordered fish and chips and burger from the Burger Shack at ang favorite ni Bess, ang Tuhog Republic. Meron din ditong sabaro at meron din potato corner. And this is us waiting for the orders. That's me here. And we're waiting. Oo nga pala, sa place na ito, libre din ang wifi. So nung dumating na yung food namin, this is the fish and chips. Ito naman yung burger. Yan na yung milk tea ni Bess. At dumating na rin yung spam musubi ko.